Glowing skin green juice is filled with hydrating, nutrient-rich ingredients that make your skin bright and clear. Glowing skin makes you feel confident and happy. As someone who has struggled with hormonal cystic acne, I found the best way to maintain clear skin with nourishing juices. Today in this video, I will share some juices which will help you to get clear and glowing skin at home. Drink number 1 is pineapple drink. To prepare this remedy, you will need half apple, chopped, 5 sliced cucumber, half cup pineapple, chopped, 1 cup water. Pineapple is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can fight inflammation. This healthy fruit has loads of health benefits that can aid in good digestion and boost your immunity. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K, phosphorus, calcium and zinc that can work wonders in fighting many diseases. Firstly, in a mixer jar take half apple, 5 slices cucumber and half cup pineapple. And then add 1 cup water and blend to smooth juice. Finally, enjoy pineapple drink for healthy skin and hair. Drink number 2, that is beetroot drink. Beetroot juice is a wonderful detox drink that helps in flushing out the toxin from the body and purifies the blood. This results in an instant glow. To prepare this drink you will need half cup beetroot, chopped, half cup carrot, chopped, half tomato, chopped, 5 sliced cucumber, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup water. Firstly, in a mixer jar take half cup beetroot, half cup carrot, half tomato, 5 sliced cucumber and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Then add 1 cup water and blend to smooth juice. Finally, enjoy beetroot drink for curing dark circles and puffy eyes. Last and booster drink of this video is spinach drink. Spinach is high in antioxidants and helps to keep your skin supple and well hydrated. That way, you'll be able to combat the damaging effects of time on your skin, and that too without using any chemicals. To make this booster drink, you will need 1 cup palak, 5 sliced cucumber, 1 inch ginger, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup water. Firstly, in a mixer jar take 1 cup palak, 5 sliced cucumber, 1 inch ginger and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. And then add 1 cup water and blend to smooth juice. Finally, enjoy spinach drink for clear and glowing skin.